Designer Notes Subject 102. Channel favorite Zelos is releasing another high-quality, accessible offering that's a little bit more special. Even though this is the second line in its Halo collection, the Mirage, we believe the Mirage 2 marks an important milestone for watch enthusiasts. Like, comment, and subscribe for content you'd like to see next. Follow us at Instagram at DesignAtelier for behind-the-scenes content. Email us at designatelierviewer@gmail.com. Let's have a customary quick recap of how the public perceives Zelos as a brand. Zelos watches are widely recognized for its use of exotic materials. They are popular for creating uniquely angular profiled watches and for being generally affordable alternatives to high-quality timepieces. The Mirage line is the combination of this design DNA and exhibited to the highest level that the brand can produce. The Mirage line's first release was a tourbillon watch encased in the most exotic of materials that sold out within minutes of its release. For this next drop, the Mirage 2 continues the same philosophy launched at a wider market range. This hand-wound aviator watch is another showcase of what Zelos can do, and it clearly shows in every angle. There's a hint of refinement in every detail while maintaining the familiar on the rest. The dial layout is a bicompact setup that features a power reserve and running seconds sub-dial. This is accented by applied indexes with Zelos' signature use of a BGW9 and C3 Luminova combo. Zelos is popular for its strong luminescence, and this is solidly represented in this Mirage. On the surface of the dial, there are additional high-end features such as applied sub-dial perimeters. It's a beautiful touch that plays to the strengths of the translucent sapphire dial. Every turn of the dial highlights the incredible depth of the movement inside. The Mirage name is truly embodied with all the applied details, creating the illusion of levitation. It's an exquisite effect that is further amplified by the barrel cutouts. First seen on the Sky Raider, this turbine-like feature is such an appropriate touch for this pilot's watch. It mesmerizes as it turns in clear view both in front and back of the watch. Any which side you pick, this sapphire sandwich displays all the wonderfully finished bridges and gears. Another thing that the Mirage carried over from the Sky Raider is the loom display caseback, another well-praised touch from Zelos. There's so much that can be said about this movement, but ordinary is not one of them. To those who are a little bit deeper in this hobby, they will notice that this is a haute horology movement from Le Jour Beret. This high horology manufacturer has had its hand on many brands displaying a vast experience and knowledge of ultra-fine watchmaking. Some of the more notable brands that it has worked with were Chanel, Arnold & Sons, and Romain Gerome, to name a few. Recently, the company revived the Angelus brand that is making waves in the high-end watch scene. Zelos has worked with them before, and with the Mirage 2, the partnership proves to be very much appreciated. The dimensions of the Mirage 2 sits at a comfortable 42mm in diameter with a 49mm length and a thin 13mm because of this slim caliber. This Le Jour Beret movement has a 192-hour power reserve between its two barrels, housed in a 50-meter water-resistant case, and beats at a 21,600 bph frequency. With a well-crafted movement, the case and bracelet is expected to be well-designed as well. The crown has this slanted knurling with aircraft-distinct personality. The titanium bracelet is finely brushed and secured with a solid Zelos clasp that complements this 5-link bracelet. This 5-link design has the same angular Zelos flavor that plays with light in similar fashion as that of the Royal Oaks. It also incorporates the ratcheting micro adjustment that's proven to be very easy to operate from many of its watch offerings. The titanium bracelet models will also come with a case-fitting FKM strap to further enhance your enjoyment to suit your mood. The Mirage 2 delivers in options that's hard to beat at this price point. Speaking of options, the Mirage 2 will come with a clear dial version, anthracite tone, and the azure model will come with a teal hue. The next tier up are the Damascus models that have the yellow or blue zirconia finish. Then there's the rare tantalum cased variant, and finally the full sapphire crystal case version. This is another first for Zelos that continues to explore more unconventional and precious materials. Zelos is always the leader in popularizing these cases, and the Mirage is another platform for this production ability. While many of what Zelos offers are priced below the $500 range, the Mirage 2 is firmly priced at the 4-digit mark. But then again, when's the last time you've seen a high horology watch under the $10,000 tag? Zelos is doing it again. It opened the market for luxury watches, and now it's doing it again on the high-end level. It's an important milestone that we're all witnessing right before our very eyes. With Zelos' consistency and reliability, it's not a mirage at all.